Here's the 2019 Equinox you requested a video of. I'll show you a peek inside real quick here. There's your seats, the two-tone leather, and the sides got a little bit of the black or gray. Now I'm going to step you back to the back of the vehicle. No rips or tears. Don't see any stains. I'll walk you back to the trunk area. Has a power lift gate. Seats fold down flat. And here you have a little storage area and the spare tires under that. Here with the push of the button, goes down. Or this side. Side. Steering wheel area, driver's compartment. There's your cruise right there. You can set your passenger seating for 2 people. Power mirrors, power windows, locks. Tires are still in good condition. A wider shot of the vehicle, but overall the condition is very, very, very good on this vehicle.